Making money in 2026 has never been easier, but most people are still using AI the wrong way. Today, I'm going to show you AI tools that are helping people earn anywhere from $50 to $200 per day. If you're a beginner or someone who wants to start making money online, this video is for you. I won't just list tools, I'll show you exactly how you can use them to start earning. Let's start with ChatGPT, but not just for chatting. People are using it to write blog posts, create YouTube scripts, and even do client work. For example, you can offer script writing services and easily charge $10 to $50 per script as a beginner. Next is Canva AI. Even if you have zero design skills, you can create social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, and logos for small businesses. And the best part? Businesses need content every single day, which means recurring income for you. Now let's talk about 11 Labs. It's an AI voice generator, and the demand is huge right now. You can create YouTube voiceovers, ads, and even audiobooks. Faceless YouTube channels are growing fast, and they all need voiceovers. If you're into video editing, this is where things get powerful. With tools like Pictory or CapCut AI, you can turn long videos into short clips, create reels, and repurpose content for clients. This service is in high demand, especially from US creators. Now imagine this. If you just master one of these tools, you can start your first online income within days. So where should you start? Keep it simple. Pick one tool, spend a few days learning it, create a service on Fiverr or Upwork, and focus on getting your first client. If you're serious about making money with AI, make sure you subscribe, because I share practical strategies like this. And in the next video, I'll show you how to make $100 per day using AI step by step. I'll see you in the next one.